Guys, good morning and welcome to my travel vlog. You guys, my flight doesn't leave till afternoon, and what they call it, I want to quickly make, it's very early this morning, and I want to quickly make fried rice for my family before we start heading down to the airport. See, mommy girl, mommy.
Oh my goodness!
Mommy, mommy,
Mommy's calling you.
mommy, mommy girl. You guys, I just want to quickly make. Mama, come now. Come and say good morning, guys. I want to quickly make fried rice this morning. Yummy, yummy fried rice.
Hello!
Hello, guys.
Oh, wow! See your butt. See your butt. Oh, yeah, that's enough.
She's eating.
Okay.
Let me finish cooking.
Look at it.
He said that the boy. Not be only jollof rice. Fried rice, so you eat your vegetables. You eat your vegetables. Okay. You must eat with your vegetables. No way. You must eat it with your vegetables. I don't stress at the piece, so this one I'm traveling. You must eat with your vegetables. Did you hear me?
There is no jollof rice.
No jollof rice for you. You guys, I'm done cooking. You guys saw me making. I didn't want to bring up my camera when my children were just saying, "Mommy, let's go downstairs." If I kind of was saying, "Mommy, are you going to America?" I'm like, "Yes." So, oh my God! But you guys are actually going to know where I'm heading to, and I'm just thankful. I'm just thankful. I don't know what has been happening in this last month of the year, but God has been faithful.
Completeness.
God has been faithful. I'm telling you, I can't even say it with my mouth. He's giving me 1 year in 1 month, literally. Like I don't know where he's taking me to, but I'm just following his lead, and I'm just thanking God for all that he is doing, literally. And this is my extremely supportive husband that is taking me to the airport. I'm grateful. You guys, I'm extremely grateful. I'm extremely grateful. We are headed to the airport, and you guys, my husband is going to be with his children and definitely have a swell time with them.
It's no longer your children.
It's our children, literally. You guys, I'm like, God, people that leave their children like is a staple, like is back to back, it's a normal thing. Like, how do you do it? When I saw them at downstairs and they were just like, mommy, bye bye, I was like, hey, I've been quiet in this car for like 20 minutes, just thinking about my children. Like, hey, I didn't ever think that I would get to this point where, you know, I'm leaving them. And but anyways, thank God for the husband that I married. I thank God that we are doing this family thing together. We are doing this family thing together, but I just made them special fried rice. Daddy will take over. See, Mr. Bichooks is a great cook. When I used to date him, he will cook, clean, arrange everywhere. So now he used to take over. Stew has finished. Other things have finished. I have no problem. Baby, Kaito, tomorrow for lunch, for school, rice and stew. So Mr. Obichuk to take him to school and all of that. But and I trust that the house is going to have a smooth running under daddy's military regime. But anyways, guys, I'll see you. Let's keep heading to the airport.
You bad and you holding, baby money fake honey, yeah. All of my family, baby money fake, baby money fake honey, money fake. Oh I money fake. I don't really think I wanna be with you. Waiting go do my steez if I cry for you. Composure won't finish me, that's why I disagree. If I buy you go leave me, yeah. Don't wanna stop. Just wanna talk. If you reach, make me function it up. I be the bego, you be Pisces, and I go tell you to be.
Hello, CEO. What do you have to say?
Man, it feels so good.
Where are you headed?
You guys will get to find out by the end of this video. And I'm so happy that, you know, my business is actually was taking me. Was in fact,
Wow, we're so proud of you, KK Event and Decor.
I know.
So super proud of
I
you.
can imagine that my business actually was is taking me. Flight, booth,
Wow.
accommodation, booth.
Wow, even for your staff.
I need, even for my staff,
Wow.
I need your services, and it was with you.
Come on.
You
Come
guys,
on.
super excited. And see, my husband bought me these CEO glasses.
Come on. See no evil, hear no evil.
Paying for my arrival because I'm about to go and kill it. Yeah, he's my darling husband. I would have never married another man. It's not possible. I would have never ever tried with another man. It's not possible. This is my Mr. Obichooks for life.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, I missed my flight. Because I am even on this flight. By the grace of God. Hey guys, I have arrived Port Harcourt Airport. You guys are in my hometown. Unbelievable. Ah. Small. That's small. He said Jesus Christ. I don't change you. I remember when my wedding, I don't see anybody again now. You guys, my office driver came to get me.
Hey. This is wow, welcome.
Thank you. He said this is wow. How many years? And you know they asked of me ever since I relocated Port Harcourt branch.
Auntie, I've been
At the
asking.
Lagos branch.
I've been asking.
Now they miss me for office.
I've been asking. Honestly, welcome.
What of what's his name? Innocent.
Innocent.
He's still there.
No, he not there again.
Oh, you know there.
Yeah.
Matthew Nko.
But how those people? Now let me
Matthew
remain.
don't go.
Now let me remain for that. They said to.
No wonder they say you may come pick me.
Now let me remain for that.
Oh,
That's
my
what I
people. Now don't even ask of me as I relocate go Lagos office.
Auntie, no. I do.
I know.
There was some times ago I was discussing with Maje. I asked, even when this guy came to Lagos, Damian
Okay.
came to Lagos, Nami can't drop her. I
Oh,
didn't send message across.
oh,
You
thank
know.
you. Thank you.
From that, they are coming.
I'm coming. Say,
I said, first person, I said, what do you want to do for Port Harcourt now?
Oh, So now you they assigned to me, Abi. So you go there with me tomorrow now.
I believe so. Though
And they go free zone.
Yes, they told me about that. You are coming for a free zone.
Yeah.
Though when I drop you, I will chat Osas up.
Okay.
If I'm the one picking you up tomorrow. But
Okay.
I believe it will be me.
Okay. No, they're with me. Oh. They're with me. I'm so happy to see my boys. You guys, I'm so happy to see my boys. Literally, like, this is my life. This is where I grew up. I started with these boys in the pots. You guys know I work in oil and gas, so I used to work in the pots, you know, before I was relocated to Lagos, and this is one of my boys, literally. I wish I can find my wedding clip. I mean, all of them really. I remember you guys. Now every time I did my wedding, white and white. The microwave where una give me. Now wait till I see they used to.
Wow.
Yes, so.
Thank God for life.
Yes, so.
You bad and you holding, baby money faker.
Hey.
Things for happen for the department.
Magrinota for the broom they go.
Things for happen for the department. I didn't miss soon at all. You know, say Lagos office now more of accounts.
Yes.
So yeah, now where the engineering work they happen.
Yes.
I didn't miss sometimes I sit there, they think about it, and they say, I say, how my boys did. You guys get to see me back there with my overall and everything, going to work. Auntie Mimi in the building. You guys, like tomorrow I'll show you so many things. I'm in my father's house.
Oh, baby money fair.